Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is July 26, 2018. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have lots of action out here today, but first let's get started with the S&P 500. You'll see that the futures are trading lower by 5.25 points to 28.36 per contract. All in all, futures really have been very sideways this entire morning session throughout the overnight and into this morning. So we'll see what we get. We'll see where we go. But all in all, what can you say? It's a day where the markets are slightly lower, but you would think there's so much more happening. We'd get more action out of the futures, but we're not. So let's go over and take a look at stocks in the news, because that's where we're going to focus our attention. And the big one of the day is going to be Facebook. They came out with earnings last night. After the closing bell, you're going to see here, the stock has rolled over sharply. This is a major decline for Facebook, down about 21% at the moment. Right now, the stock is trading at $171.60, closed at $217.50. So this big boy is dropping hard and dropping fast. Again, I'm going to have some levels ready to go for Facebook right in the intraday stock chat room. So this will be in play this morning. Again, if you want those levels, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We had a great day yesterday, but Facebook getting hit hard, that will be in play. Lots of tech names are in play just because of Facebook alone. So you can watch stocks like Twitter. They're trading down in sympathy, and so many others. So again, Facebook is the big one here, but we have a lot of others on tap. Let's take a look at some other names out here that reported earnings. Visa trading at 140.45, stock closed at 142.64, so that's down ticking a little, nothing major there. You do have PayPal, PYPL. I'm going to have a gap level ready for this morning. This closed at 91.37, now trading at 87.39. Briefly got down to an 85 handle in the session after the close yesterday, after hours. But we're going to watch this one today. I have levels ready to go on this. We're also looking at Las Vegas Sands. LVS is the ticker symbol there. This stock right now trading at $72.75, closed at $75.12. Watch LVS around 68.5, 68.40, right in that area. There's excellent support for an intraday bounce. So we will be keeping that on the radar today. And again, there's just lots and lots of names, so we're going to try to go over the most notable names, but I have already done about 5, 6, 7 gap plays. I'm not even sure how many have been done now. Let's take a look at Vertex Pharmaceuticals, VRTX. They are trading at 177, closed at 176.81, so they had a big spike, then came back in. We'll be looking at this one a little bit later. Take a look at Biogen this morning. This is on Drug News. Stock trading at 344.50, closed at 383.83. So that's a big haircut there. I'll have levels ready to go for that one. Mohawk Industries, MHK, getting a big haircut here. This is carpet and flooring. The stock right now trading at 185. I do think there's a lot of support down around this area, though, for Mohawk, but we'll look at that one once the opening bell rings. But I don't think Mohawk got a whole lot lower to go, but you never know. Let's take a look at CTXS. This is another one here. This is trading at 114, closed at 109. That's a great pop there. I believe this might be a new all-time high, and it is. So again, if you own this one, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone at this stage of the game. Let's take a look at AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. This is trading at 17.06, closed at 16.05. Nice pop there as well. But this should be running out of gas up here a little bit, so we'll see how that plays out. Let's take a look at McDonald's, MCD. This is trading at 157.80, closed at 158.89. Again, a lot of support still for McDonald's, right around 153.75 if it does trade lower today. Keep that on the radar. Let's take a look at Southwest Airlines, LUV. Stock right now is trading at 51.70, closed at 52.29. So that's down ticking just a little bit. Let's take a look at Celgene, CELG. They reported earnings as well. Stock is trading at 89 bucks, closed at $87.67. You got a little bit of an uptick there. Let's take a look at Mondelez MDLZ is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 43 bucks, closed at 41.50. So that's a decent little uptick. Watch the 43.75, 43.80 resistance level today. I don't really see it getting much above there. So again, 43.75, 43.80. That really should cap the move higher in Mondelez from what I'm seeing this morning. Let's take a look at Comcast, CMCSA. They reported earnings as well. Stock is trading at $34.85. That closed at $33.42. So we definitely are seeing some pretty good action out here today. We have lots and lots of names. Let's take a look at Xilinx this morning, XLNX. Stock is trading at $72.50, closed at $67.97. So nice pop there for Xilinx. If you own it, trail the stop loss on that immediately. Let's take a look at IP, which is International Paper. This stock right now is trading up here at $54, closed at $53.04. So that's a decent little move there. Let's take a look at Bristol Myers. BMY is a ticker symbol here. This is trading at 60 bucks, closed at $59.04. Let's take a look at American Airlines. AAL is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $38.22. Full disclosure, I own call options in American Airlines personally. Let's take a look here at one more and then we'll wrap it up. We're going to go with Qualcomm. They reported earnings, and I think they terminated the NXPI deal. This is trading at $63.51, closed at $59.42. So nice little pop for Qualcomm this morning as well. We'll do one more here, Mattel, MAT. And you're going to see that this is trading at $15, closed at $16.29. I don't see anything great from Mattel, so we're going to leave this one alone, but we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We're going to have lots of gap levels ready to go this morning. So again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. All right, let's switch gears here. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is trading down $4.20. So gold a little bit weaker. This looks like it's moving on the Draghi news. Mario Draghi holding a press conference this morning. That's the leader of the EC, of the European Union, and he's saying that he's keeping rates unchanged. But what's happening there is you see the dollar has caught a little bit of a bid. So if the dollar starts to move up, that puts pressure on gold. So gold down a little bit today. That is down $4 to $1,227.70 an ounce. Take a look at the GLD. That's trading at 116.28. GLD is a good ETF to track the movement in gold. Let's go to oil right now. Crude oil this morning trading down 17 cents to 69.13 a barrel. Not a big deal there. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude oil, that's trading at 14.35. Okay, so there we have it. Lots and lots of action out here. And again, if you haven't done so, come on over, trade alongside of us. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. And we had another solid day yesterday, and we're going to look to keep it going. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.